Hello, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Goldstein, one of the hip replacement specialists at Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. Are you struggling with hip pain? At IBJI, we have a full complement of care for all your hip needs. We have many fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeons that are focusing on everything from hip arthroscopy to physical therapy to hip replacement surgery. Hip replacement surgery has evolved over the last several years. In fact, many hip replacement surgeries are now being done as a same-day outpatient procedure, not only in the hospital, but in an ambulatory setting such as a surgery center. These surgeries take about an hour to do. You're up walking within an hour or two of your surgery, and you're usually out the door within 2.5 hours from the time of your surgery. At IBJI, we're not only focused on quick recovery, we have a team approach of dedicated clinicians who want to work with you and your families so that you can move better and live better.